What is up, guys, and welcome back to the DocMack car channel. Today what I'm going to do is install a lip for my BMW E90. Now this lip is a samurai lip and it does lower the vehicle a bit, but I'm a bit skeptical about this because there's a bit of an indentation here which might make it a bit more difficult to fit, but we're going to see how we go as we get along. Now without further ado, let me get into this. Alright guys, so this is the samurai lip. Now if you guys want, you can use the Easy Lip Pro. That's a much better product, but anyway, because the bumper has some stone chips on it, I just wanted to try a cheap product first, and then later on I can upgrade it if I like. It comes with a 3M tape attached to it as well. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just undo it all the way. And the problem here is that this one is quite thin, and if you look at it all the way down the base, you will actually need to find a little ridge where you can align it to, but on this BMW it's very hard to actually do that. So I'm gonna see what I can do to try to make it fit the best. Alright guys, so I've been on the underside of the vehicle, and as soon as it contours here, this is not flexible enough to actually contour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut V-shaped each time it contours. Alright guys, so I'm not the best cutter in the world, but it doesn't need to be perfect. But what I've done is, as you can see, it'll curve through the bumper like this, and this is where it kind of goes like that. So that's the reason for doing this cutouts here. Now I'm going to leave the rest until I go to the next ridge, and then I'm going to do the cutout again. In the kit we have been provided the adhesion promoter. Now what this is supposed to do is it's supposed to get rid of any gunk down there. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is give the car a wash. The car's been washed. The next thing you want to do is you want to get a lint-free cloth. Clean the underside of your vehicle. You can use isopropyl alcohol, that will work as well. And just the same thing throughout the vehicle. And then I'll do this, and then we'll get to the next step. Alright guys, so this is your adhesion promoter. It kind of smells like automotive paint. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go on the underside, and you're just going to clean the base of the underside of your vehicle. Now this bumper is a little bit scraped up, but anyway, it should be fine to use this. This product only cost me like 25 bucks. So I'm going to do the rest of the vehicle. Alright guys, wish me luck. I've done 3 total cutouts now. Alright, so I'm gonna start pulling back the tape. Alright guys, so the tape has been pulled back, and then I'm gonna start my first section. Camera work is a bit hard to get to, but I'm going to make do with what I have. And you want to try to keep as tight a line as possible. Alright guys, so that's the first part of it. Alright guys, this part is going to be one of the most difficult part, because I've got to pull it maybe somewhere around out here to try to gauge the lines. And I'm pulling the tape back ever so slightly as I go around the lines. and you want to keep it nice and tight. And I'm trying my best to keep that gap, guys. And I've got to say, on a Toyota it's much easier to do it because you got much better streamed lines. But on a BMW it is pretty hard because the lines are not exact. Now the most important thing, guys, is preparation. If you don't prepare, you won't get a good job out of it. Alright guys, and make sure you peel the tape off slowly as you go through. You don't want to make any sudden changes. And then now you're wanting to get as much out as possible to match the other side. I've got to say, I'm quite nervous when I'm doing this, guys. Okay, so now you're around the area where you need to start determining where you think it might start going to. Oh, jeez. Oh, just whacked my backside straight onto the ground, guys. Alright, so now we're at that area where we need to start doing some cuts. Lesson learned, guys. I should have probably done the cuts a little earlier. Now, I'm in a bit of a predicament here. So the cuts are going to be generally around about here. Alright, and then doing another cut right here. Now again guys, the cut doesn't need to be the neatest in the world because people won't be able to see it. Alright, wish me luck guys. Alright, and we're just going to do just a rough cut, and then we're going to finish that part later. Alright guys, so that's how it looks at the moment. Now what I'd recommend that you do is to just push it in. Now the warmer the temperature the better, but now it's currently quite cold outside, but you just want to make sure you secure it to the bumper properly. Alright, and then we're going to push it in all the way. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off that little edge at the corner and just tidy up some odds and ends. So as you can see guys, certainly looks pretty good for 25 bucks. Alright guys, so that's the final result. Now you also got a samurai sticker which you can put on the interior of your vehicle. Unfortunately it's not the one you can stick onto your bumper because that is what I would have really liked. Now again, preparation is the most important thing guys. As you can see, there's contours here, I hope I'm saying that correctly. And then as you go around the corners, you need to have V-shaped cuts. And I gotta say, for a bumper which has got a lot of curves and corners, it did come out pretty good. And there are some self-tapping screws as well, which is included, but I opted not to do it because I don't want to put screws into my bumper. It's up to you if you'd like to. Now this product will cost you somewhere between 20 and 25 bucks, which is pretty good for what you get. I mean, it does look a bit sporty. It doesn't look too low. I'll probably say about an inch or so in difference, but it definitely looks the part, especially if you've got a graphite colored vehicle like myself. Alright guys, hope this video has been useful and informative. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Consider sharing this with your friends as well, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye.